Hi folks, Mr. Talmadge here. This is my front yard. I actually have a small park just built a few months ago. Lots of kids play here. My kids grew up around here. Didn't quite have such a nice park at that point, but it was still pretty nice. Strangely, my front yard is a city park, which is really great because I don't have to do any yard work. Anyway, welcome to the first real week of linear algebra. This week features really just getting used to the new software package, Geogebra, getting it installed on your computer, getting it up and running, answering a few questions, and having some discussions about the use of software to learn mathematics. So I'm hoping you'll engage in those discussions. I've also created a small space for us. It's actually just a web page that we can all edit called the Llama Habitat. There's an introduction to that. Each week somebody will, first of all, there'll be a subject area, so like food or music or nature or movies, and one person is selected out to make a short video and tell us something about themselves and that particular subject. So when it's food, tell us all about your favorite food or something about food that you'd like to share. Everybody else that week in the Llama Habitat just sort of has to share a picture, maybe your favorite meal when it's food, maybe when it's a movie, maybe just a trailer post or anything you wish. Just our space to get to know each other a little tiny bit better as the course goes on, make it a little easier to communicate. Feel free to use your llama finger puppet anytime you wish, and if you haven't gotten that yet, hopefully it'll be there soon. Anyway, again, first week, major accomplishment is to get Geogebra installed on a computer you're going to be able to use throughout the course, to get up and running with that software, and to create what's known as a Geogebra tube account, sort of like YouTube. It's just a place where you can share files. There's instructions on the Canvas site on how to do that. You should be able to follow them, and if you can't, please post to the discussion area and we'll get those issues worked out. I use the software with my students at my home school. They love it. We get a lot of work done with it. It helps you think. It relieves you of the boring tediousness of calculations. Of course, it does introduce some of its own issues, which is learning how to use it, which is something we're going to do throughout the course. So don't feel as if you have to be an expert. Don't feel as if when you're lost you can't stop and ask a question or even repeat a question, because occasionally things just get dim in the world of technology. Anyway, again, welcome to the course and welcome to getting started. Let me know if you have any issues. There's a few little checkpoints this week that count as quizzes, just to see if you're up and running. Good luck.